Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change your Instagram profile picture. So let's get started. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and go to your profile by clicking at your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then click Edit Profile and then click Edit Picture or Avatar. You can select any options, but for me, I will choose from my photo library. And then I will be directed to my camera roll. So let me just choose a photo that I want to change my profile picture as, and then feel free to scale the photo as needed. You may pinch the photo to zoom it in or zoom it out. And once you're satisfied, just click Done at the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. That's how you can easily change your profile picture in Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!